OpenAI just released their new agent builder. I told you it was coming. Let me share with you a quick walkthrough in about 5 minutes. I'm Adrian, a GenAI engineer, and I was curious to see about this new tool from OpenAI. I'll share the screen now. I went to platform.openai.com. So here the news about the agent kit, which is a modular toolkit for building, deploying and optimizing agents. The thing is, they don't only provide the agent builder, but they also provide tools for deploying the agent so that other people can use it. And then another important thing which I think is really nice is that you have also tools for optimizing, like evals, tracing, and other tools for improving the agent. If you go to the agent builder, we will see this drag and drop UI canvas from which you can select agent, and you can have nodes. You can have tools as file search, guardrails, and MCP. MCP is actually how they connect with other tools. And then you have some logic about if-else statements, while, and user approval. And for data, you have transform and set state. And you can drag and drop these tools from here. You can take it from here to the canvas and connect as you wish, creating a agentic or a normal workflow. All this canvas is using nodes, so each of these functions or each of these tool is a node. And for example, you always have a start node which can take input as a text, or you can set up some state variables. Here you can create agents, so when you select an agent, you can give it a name, and then you can set the instructions and the other details and settings for that specific agent. Also, you can attach files, so if in case you want to build RAG systems, you can have this file search with some vector stores, so you just have to upload files and create here the settings of the RAG. Also, we have guardrails, which are really important if we want to moderate our AI workflow or AI system. And here we have some built-in options. For example, if we go to PII, you can see here all things that you want to avoid or you want to detect. And also you have MCP, which is quite important because this is how you connect with third-party tools. You also have some from OpenAI, some from other developers like Zapier, Shopify, Stripe. Also, you can attach other servers. For the logic of the workflow, we have if-else statements where you can create conditional branches. Then we have while, and also if we want to keep the human in the loop, we have user approval, where you can insert a human step to approve or reject. And also about the data, you can transform it using some expressions or objects with schemas. And also you can set a state. You can update the state of the agentic workflow. And all of this you can use drag and drop and connect with each other. Another thing which I found out is that if you don't use the default project from here, if you create another project, you have some pre-built templates for creating the workflows. For example, data enrichment, planning helper, customer service, and others. I think this is a great tool. It's similar with N8N or make.com. But also provides some very interesting features for deploying and also for optimizing the AI workflows. For example, if you want to deploy the agent, they provide this chat kit that you can use to embed the agentic workflow or the chatbot into your own website, or you can write your own code. So this is very handy. And also another part which I think is really important about the agentic workflows is that you want to improve them with time. So they provide you with evals features, with trace grading, data sets, and also some optimizers for the prompts. Based on my experience as a GenAI engineer, I think this tool is useful. We'll see in the next couple of days or couple of weeks how many use cases this can be used for and how great it is when we move to production. But from a first glance, I think it's quite useful and it has great potential. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.